Let's factor this binomial. Do we have any common factors? The answer is yes. There's a common factor of 2 that I can factor out, and I'm left with 8y cubed minus 1. And now let's continue. Notice this is a binomial, and it is the difference of 2 cubes. So I'm going to take an intermediate step, and I'm going to write each term as a quantity cubed. So 8y cubed is 2y, that quantity cubed, minus 1 is, of course, 1 cubed. Now notice I haven't changed anything, because if I were to take off this set of parentheses, it's 2y times 2y times 2y, which is 8y cubed, and then of course 1 cubed is 1. But I think taking this intermediate step helps. Now don't forget to write the 2 down. Now I'm going to factor this difference of cubes. To me, finding the binomial factor is easier with this intermediate step, because if you just cover up those 2 cubes, you will have your binomial, in this case 2y minus 1. Now let's write down the trinomial, and you can get the trinomial simply by using these 2 terms of the binomial. This term is always this first term completely squared. So that's 2 squared and y squared, the whole term squared, so it's 4y squared. Then the next sign is opposite, so it's a plus. The next term is first times second, which is 2y times 1, or 2y. Then the next sign is always plus, and then that last term is this last term squared. 1 squared is 1. This cannot be factored further, and so I have factored completely.